The next thing that I need to do is organize my girls' room. I did let their room slide because I had to take out all the cubbies out of the Kayla. It's currently on their floor. And I'm sure there's a lot of things that we can purge from those bins, clothes that they're not using anymore. I'll just show you. See what I'm talking about. They do have these bins. And of course, you know, there's blankets and pajamas and all that stuff. So I definitely let it slide. We need to just make sure that whatever it is that we're not using, we're not hoarding it or collecting it, because it really starts to add up, especially with the kids. So, but I am going to go through some of their jeans and their clothes and sweaters, and with toys I will wait. If you see this up here, I went to visit my mom today. It's Ash Wednesday today, and the pastor was going through the rooms and, you know, was ashing everybody. So yeah, so I have a lot of things to do here just to finish this up. Oh yeah, I got new sheets for the girls, and I washed them, so I might as well put them on right now. The original ones that they have, I actually like the pink better on their bed. I got that at like TJ Maxx though, and it's kind of thin, and I don't really like the material. Cute set, but they really needed these, so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up a little. So I made my girls' beds. That's all done. That's donation that I'm going to be donating from their closet. I went through their closets. I've gone through all of their sweaters and their shirts back there. Sweaters are going to be eventually moved to the back and the shirts up forward. Beds are made with the new sheets. I really like these sheets. They have that band for like extra deep pocket for the corners. I love that. I'm gonna wait for the girls to come home so that I can go through their toys. They're very good at purging, especially before Christmas. They know for new things to come in, old things must go out. One of my daughters, though, they're kind of like, you know, one of them has a hard time letting go stuffed animals. The other one doesn't, so this is like the majority of one of my girls. And then the other one, she's really good. She's like, no, don't eat it, get rid of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I still have to go through this bin of jeans, but I will do that at some point. We also have to go through these little knick-knack things, like, I'm not sure if they're really using it. It's those pillow masks, the scrunchies that I have right here in this little basket, nail polish, you know, all of that stuff. Just random stuff. The girly stuff, you know. But maybe we can go through it again.
But we didn't put it
Through these.
Oh, just as it seems.
If you just want to go through some of these quick, just to make sure.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to take all of these out, okay? Well, I already started, honey. Well, we're gonna do stuffed animals first, and
There's nothing in the baby pot. Baby what was I saying baby to, Mom? Yeah. What animal? Stop, Jazz. It's not funny. Not for me.
was it this?
No.
Then it was already put away.
Then you're dead.
Okay. So, this one yours?
Mine, yeah.
Okay. Can you go through this?
Okay, I want all of this.
You've gone through all of this before? You guys already know what's in your fidget box. We should go through the random box and figure out what we remember
Everything
what's
is
in
in the
there.
random box because I remember it. Last time when we went through it, you made us do it all by ourselves. I wanted everything in there, and I still do.
Okay. These are scrunchies. Let's go through the scrunchies really quick.
Is this yours?
Yeah, that one's actually mine. Do you ever wear that?
Trail did a long time ago.
You haven't? Bree, do you want to wear these? No? Okay, let's get rid of
No,
that.
I like it. Take it out.
skim, because I know you already went through those before. Just make sure you go through there if there's anything old or anything that you don't want. Okay, so we're keeping all.
No, these ones are not the new ones, Mom.
Okay. So those won't fit.
I think those are. Like, it's good.
Okay. So those still fit. All right, my loves. Well, so you guys are gonna keep all of that stuff. What about that playhouse right there?
No.
Do you agree? You don't want that playhouse anymore?
Oh, what?
This thing right here?
No, I play with that stuff.
You still play with this?
Yeah.
Okay. What about these strollers for your babes?
Yep.
Babies?
Yep.
What about
because
this Barbie car?
yeah, that's a part of my Barbie.
Okay, yoga mats?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, you guys, I think we're good. So,
Yeah, it'll look way more better when we have the cabinet things.
all right, guys, I think we're good.
That looks so good.
I'm
How
glad
did
you like it.
do that? Cool. It looks so good. That's cool.
Oh, I have a lot to go. Did you see what's out in the living room?
Mom,
Yeah.
there's another.
It's like a little pink surprise when you pull it out.
Lot more to do. Wait.
Oh, yeah. I have a lot of work to do.
You have
That's
14
to-
more.
Yep, that's to come.
I like that. That's so cute.
Good. I'm glad you like it.